Good morning, and well, it's practically afternoon actually for me. I've had a lie-in this morning. It's about 11 o'clock, 11 a.m. On today's episode, we're going to be doing a lot of clearing, shifting and marking out for the new polytunnel. So while I'm waiting for the kettle to boil, I'm going to go up to the top there and just make a few notes as to what tasks I'll need to do this morning and this afternoon. I'm going to do probably 4 hours. Stay on till about 3:30, something like that today. Do as much as I can, or as much as I feel like doing, because it's freezing cold and I'm a bit knackered at the moment. I don't know what's wrong with me. I hope I've not come. I hope I'm not coming down with that. You know what? But I'm feeling tired. I was yesterday as well. Anyway, that's a digression. I'll get up there. We'll make some notes as to what we need to get done today, and take it from there. All right. So this is our location. The proposed site for the 8-foot by 13, maybe even 14-foot trampoline framed hooped polytunnel, which is going to be facing the existing one, which is a 10-foot by 15-foot polytunnel. We call it Tiki Tunnel, the Tiki Tunnel 1, and that'll be Tiki Tunnel 2. Now where T2's going, we've got all this detritus, these raised beds. There's the 3 raised beds there, lots of stone, lots of brick hanging around. We're going to have to clear all that off. So I've made a little checklist here of the stuff that we need to get done. And first of all, it's the weeding. So I'm going to weed out all of the sort of annual weeds and stuff from the top of these beds. Clear all the stone and brick. So there's the stone and the brick and the other general crap. Take out all soil and store in 35-litre buckets and pallet collar planter at front of plot 37. That's the pallet collar planter down there that's got the blue tubs in. So we just need somewhere really to, because there's nothing wrong with this this soil. There are some perennial weeds in there though, so I'm going to have to be careful when I sift that out so I don't transfer them into the new beds. I'll be checking for bindweed and horsetail in that. Remove all bed timbers, so all of the beds are going to be coming out. That's phase 4, phase 5, and storing hut. That's the hut. So I'm going to have to find somewhere for all of those timbers there. Mark out the tunnel footings and lay weed membrane. So those are the 7 tasks that are proposed for today's activities. Well, first of all, I've took all the leaks out and separated those leaks into good and bad. The bad are going to be fired off up to the tip at the top, and the good ones we're going to take home and get the old potato and leek soup on. All of that is going to be taken out. I'll root through those veggies there, see if there's anything that's worth taking home. The rest of it's going to be binned off, because I need to get them out the way then. Shift them out the way. Get all of these beds gone. In fact, there's 4 beds. There's that little pea bed there as well, isn't there? So all of these have got to be shifted, moved out the way, giving me a blank canvas then to get the footings in and what have you. But if I can get that done today, then that leaves me with Wednesday and Friday next week where I can come up here and make a good start on getting the tunnel up. I've got to order the sheeting for it first from First Tunnels, so that's going to be one of the things, one of the tasks we're going to have to get done, because I don't have that plastic horticultural poly sheeting at the moment. So you don't need to rush, do you? You don't need to rush too much, but we do want to get it done. So as long as I've got a blank canvas, hopefully today, I can crack on in the week and get some serious work done. Right, that's going to have to do for today, because I made a promise to 2 little boys to take them to the aquatic centre, and it's nearly 2 o'clock. Mother McCree's been down giving us a bit of a lift as well with a bit of weeding and stuff like that, but we've still not had the chance to get rid of everything, so that's going to have to wait until Wednesday. I'll shift all those first thing and get rid of that. That took some doing, that digging out all of the beds and shifting it down to the bottom. Hey up, seal it seen. Right. Eh? Oh, look at the gloves she's got. She's like Wolverine.
Got digging gloves then.
It's not Wolverine, it's that other one, isn't it? His mate from Vietnam. Right, so that bed's out, that bed's out, that bed's out. We'll shift all those on Wednesday morning. We'll shift all that stuff from down there and take it down to the bottom. Although that bed down at the bottom is getting full now. I'll probably have to fill a load of those 35 litre pots with it and put them out of the way. We just need about 2.5 feet all around where we're going to be working that's going to be clear. So all of that's going to be cleared off as well. I'll level it out, get the weed membrane on. I think we'll call it pole green today while I'm taking the kids out to the aquatics place, Pier Aquatics, to look at the fish. But yeah, that's it. Okay, I've been Guru MURPHINDA. You've been fantastic, fragrant and beautiful as always, if you're a lady. Forthright, masculine and whatever else you are, if you're a bloke. And I'll see you on Wednesday. I'm determined to get that sorted out. Wednesday, the footings and everything will be in. It'll all be straight and footed in on Wednesday. And then leaving us Friday then to get the frame up and all of that sort of stuff. I might get it all done on Wednesday, we'll see. But I do need to get some more timbers and excuse me, itchy nose, and get the poly sheeting for it anyway. So yeah, stick with it. All right, have a good week. If I don't see you through the week, I'll see you through the window. I've been Guru MURPHINDA. You've been beautiful. We love you all. Catch you later. Ta-da.